Guys, welcome to OAM Garage. If you've never been here before, I'm working on a 1952 pickup truck and other things when they come along. What I'm doing is I'm going around on my 52. I'm going to go over and I'm going to start hitting patches of rust on there. I noticed that there's a lot of paint that has fallen off and that has left just metal. Well, that's what I'm doing. I bought me an orbitable. It's one of them kinds what goes round and round. Why do they call it Harbor Freight? It's not even anywhere close to water. Well, I guess the one down at Mobile is. Anyway, okay, as you can see how much metal is actually exposed here. A lot of that was already exposed. Of course, me sanding it. I'm just doing a little at a time. I don't want to do way too much. I'm just one feller.